Hello Cadillac and General Motor lovers and car lovers alike. My name is James McCormick and I am taking a moment here at Hawk Cadillac Chevrolet in Joliet, Illinois to go over one of my favorites with the new navigation systems that General Motors has put in their products. I'm sitting in a 2019 Cadillac XT5 Platinum. Platinum is their high trim level, however the navigation system is the same in all trim levels. The biggest reason why I chose to do this video is because using navigation in the past really was horrible. It rarely understood what you said. It was more of a distraction to use while driving than it was useful. And that's why we've gone to our phones. But this generation, I'm telling you, Cadillac or General Motors is absolutely knocked it out of the park. Okay, the first thing we're looking at is what Cadillac calls, that stands for customer user experience. And it literally is just that, the experience you're going to have using it. And again, for the more mature audience, we so many times get frustrated and don't want to use it because we think it's going to be complicated. Cadillac has thought this out completely. So for example, again, like I suggested, navigation, which is probably one of the most useful tools. Hit the navigation icon on the screen, or I can do it right on the wheel. So I'm going to use the wheel this time because I'm going to be straightforward.
Say a command or say help.
Navigation.
What type of destination, address, intersection, place of interest, or contact?
Place of interest.
Say the name of the place of interest nearby or say change location.
Walmart.
Walmart, is that correct?
Yes.
When it is safe to do so, look to the radio display to complete your selection.
So see, there you have it. It was just that simple. It understood me on the first